Plus, when I was your age,
Nice one.
we didn't have a lot of money. We were not rich. My mother, she told me, wala man ako mapamana sa'yo. But what she gave me? Knowledge. Knowledge. Our province only had one school. It was mountains away. And I have to travel for 2 hours so I can get there every day.
Every day, ma'am?
Yes, every day. I work hard, I studied in class. Out of 5,000 students in our high school, I finished second.